Hi everybody, this is Perry over at Axe Equipment. Here in the testing department today at Axe Equipment, we're looking at our new model, SW-2444. This particular series is called the Terminator series, and it can be bought two ways. It can be bought with a 44-inch vertical height or a 32-inch vertical height. Now both the Terminator series, both of them sport a 24-inch diameter turntable. And again, one's 44 tall, one's 32 inches tall. If you look at these axe machines back here in the corner, you'll see they're all direct drive, they're gear driven here. And they have a little spring underneath here, and a little roll pin up here, so it's got a little clutch, so if a cylinder head or something would fall over here and tie up the gear drive, it'll just sit there and right outside this little chamfer on top of the gear, so with this clutch. And you'll notice these axe machines got a 360-degree manifold all the way around them, not just up one side. And they've got nice little radius style elbows here instead of 90, so the flow is really nice. Again, 24-inch diameter turntable, either 44 tall or 32 inches tall. And like all axe machines, we've got a really nice roll-out turntable with a lay-down door. Now this lay-down door keeps things a lot drier in the shop, and it's much easier to load and unload. Also, these axe machines, none of them use a gasket on the door. It's all sealless, so you don't have any rubber gaskets to deal with or replace down the road. So very little maintenance. Matter of fact, it's maintenance-free as far as a gasket goes. Now these, this is our agricultural head rack. This comes off of here. But if you want to, say, install like a Cummins ISX, you just simply lean the head up against here and put the chain around the cylinder head to hold it in place. But again, this will come off. And it also comes with an adjustable cylinder head rack that goes in the center to hold your small passenger style heads. This particular machine here is a gas-fired model. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to roll the turntable in. I'm going to turn it on and show you the how nice this water flows in this built-in hot tank we're going to look at. Nice one-handed door. You can get this machine two different ways. You can get it with a hot tank in the front like this for, say, cylinder heads, or you can get a hot tank in the front, say, for blocks. This is your filter basket also. This is removable. Now I'm going to turn this pump on. Now this particular machine, it's 5 horsepower. You're looking at about 50 psi, and it's going to flow about 80 gallons a minute. Now watch the nice agitation in this hot tank. So everything goes through the filter screen, so if you would leave a gasket behind or a bolt or a pin or a clip, you're going to find it down here in this filter basket, and it is removable. And this lid actually hinges so you don't have to chase it around the shop. Over here on our control panel, all of our axe machines come with a built-in digital temperature controller. So it tells you at a glance what the temperature is. You've got also a switch for your heat source. Now you can buy these in gas heat or electric heat. And off is off, on is on. You can hear the burner just came on. Now in the auto position, if you put it in auto, if you come in over here, inside this electrical box, you're going to see this orange banded timer. So you could program this burner to come on automatically, you know, Monday at 7 o'clock in the morning and go off 4 o'clock automatically. And you can time that every day, 7 days a week. So this comes as standard equipment, this programmable timer for your heat source over here. Also, this Terminator model, like all axe machines, has a 30-minute wash cycle here for your pump. Right over here. Mechanical spring-wound timer. Look inside this electrical panel. If you'll notice, Axe has really done a nice job with all short circuit protection, all thermal protection. Here's your short circuit and your thermal protection for your pump. Here's your short circuit protection for your gas burner, all your controls up here. All axe machines also have low level indicators. In other words, if the water level gets too low, it'll cut the power off to the heat source, saving a gas burner tube or electric heating element. Thermal overload for your drive motor. Now right over here is another little 7-day programmable timer, and we'll talk about that. That's for your optional oil skimmer. So Axe offers an optional oil skimmer. We'll look right down in here. It's concealed inside the tank, and the reason we do that is so we don't have a lot of heat escape outside the tank. And here's your oil skimmer here. And you'll come back here in the back of the machine. You'll see the oil skimmer just plugs right into this 110 volt receptacle right here. So I'll just come over here, and this little gray banded timer, I'll just activate that, and you'll see the skimmer run. The skimmer's gonna, as you can see, it's gonna chase the oil off that blade. The wheel's gonna go through the water, and the oil is gonna stick to the wheel, and it's gonna run out this hose right here at the bottom. You're gonna want to put a bucket under here. I don't have one here now, but you'll need a bucket to put underneath there. So anyway, the best time to skim your oil is when the water is cold. As you know, oil is lighter than water. So the time to skim is like 3 in the morning when all the oil has come to the top. So it needs to be, the colder the better. If you try to skim when it's hot, it's not going to do you any good, because the chemicals are keeping all the oil emulsified or broken up. So let the before you skim, time it to come on early in the morning for about 2 hours daily, and do it when the water's cold. So while we're in the electrical box, you'll see we've got all these Axe machines come with complete manuals, serial numbered. We can tell you, if you call us 20 years from now, we can tell you when it was made. We track all of our machines. Okay, back here, another feature on these Axe machines is an auto air inducer. And if you hook air up into this, what it does, there's a little valve, a little line. It goes up to a valve. And what it does, when the pump comes on, it injects air up into the steam vent up here to get that steam going up and out of the shop. And so when the pump comes off, the valve will shut. So a nice little standard feature on these Axe machines. Over here, up here is the drive motor that drives that drive gear that we've seen down in the spray chamber. So that's the drive gear, comes automatically with it. You can take a look, a little door safety switch right here. So if I turn the pump on and I open the door, it'll automatically shut the pump off. It's a door safety switch, and of course that comes standard on all Axe machines. Your 5 horsepower pump, vertical pump, all sealless. All the wetted parts are either cast iron or stainless steel. So long life on those pumps. Over here is this machine model here is powered by gas. It's a gas heater machine. This is our newest design, gas burner here with the heat exchanger. And you can get them again in gas or electric. If you look right here, this is our level controller. So again, I talked about it. Once if the water level gets too low, it'll shut the power off and not overheat your heat exchanger, or won't burn out your electric heating element. So again, a standard feature on all these Axe machines. We're just going to kind of circle around the back. I'll show you. This is really nice. This can go right up against the wall. It's flat in the back, so nothing back here. You can come over on this left side. You can actually put it in the corner if you wanted to. Nothing over here on the left side either. So yeah, really nice machine. You can expect a life of 20 to 30 years out of these machines. We rolled the first one out of here in July of 1984, but some of those machines are still operating today. But yeah, nice little machine. Again, you can get it in a 44-inch height or a 32-inch height. And you can get it with a hot tank for heads or a hot tank for blocks. So remember, for the best in clean, call Axe. 1-800-251-0018, or visit us on the web at axeequipment.com, or like us on Facebook at Axe Equipment. And please leave a comment or a like on this video. Thanks for visiting.